We all love that cold, sweet bottle of soda, especially on a hot day. It tastes good, feels refreshing, gives quick energy, and seems harmless. Most men drink it almost every day. Some even take up to 5 bottles at work, during lunch, or just to relax. The fizzy sound is inviting, and the taste can be quite addictive. But there have been claims that soft drinks affect male sexual performance. How true is this? Can they really lower a man's strength, reduce his male hormone, testosterone, and cause weak erections over time? Have you ever stopped to think, what is this drink really doing inside your body? Health-wise, does it offer any benefit at all? Between regular sugar and high fructose corn syrup, which one is healthier? Or should we just avoid both altogether? In this video, we'll talk about how soft drinks, especially the sugar inside them, can quietly affect a man's health and performance. Stay with me till the end. This might just change the way you see soft drinks forever. And if you care about your health and want more simple science-based videos like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next one. Now let's start. Soft drinks are full of sugar. Just one can or bottle can contain up to 10 teaspoons of sugar, more than your body needs in an entire day. When you drink that much sugar often, your body has to work extra hard to control it. At first you feel fine. Maybe you even get a burst of energy. But slowly the sugar begins to cause problems inside you. Your blood sugar rises and falls, your belly starts to store fat, and your blood pressure goes up. And that condition is one of the biggest causes of weak erections in men. Let's see how it happens. When you drink soda, the sugar inside it breaks into 2 parts, glucose and fructose. Glucose gives you quick energy, but when you take too much, your body produces large amounts of a hormone called insulin to control it. After some time, your body stops responding properly to insulin, a problem called insulin resistance. When that happens, sugar builds up in your blood and starts to damage the tiny blood pipes that carry blood to your private part. For a man to get a strong erection, those blood pipes must open and let blood flow in. But when sugar damages them, they become stiff and weak. Sugar also reduces a special chemical in your body called nitric oxide. This is what helps your blood pipes relax and open during an erection. When nitric oxide is low, blood doesn't flow properly and erections become weak or short. But that's not the only problem. Most popular soda brands use something even more harmful than regular sugar: high fructose corn syrup, often called HFCS. This type of sugar is cheaper, so it's used in many drinks. But your body doesn't handle it well. Instead of giving you energy, it goes straight to your liver, and your liver turns it into fat, especially belly fat. That belly fat, it's active tissue that releases harmful chemicals into your blood. These chemicals cause slow, hidden damage inside your body, a kind of internal fire called inflammation. Inflammation weakens your blood pipes and also affects your hormones. As your belly fat grows, your testosterone, your main male hormone, begins to drop. Why? Because fat tissue produces an enzyme called aromatase, which changes testosterone into estrogen, the female hormone. So instead of feeling strong, confident, and full of energy, you start to feel tired, slow, and less interested in sex. Your body, which once produced strong erections and healthy hormones, starts to struggle. All because of too much sugar and fat from soft drinks. So how does all this connect? It starts with sugar. Too much sugar causes fat gain and insulin problems. That leads to poor blood flow and low testosterone. Poor blood flow means your penis doesn't get enough blood. Low testosterone means your body doesn't send the right signals for arousal and erection. Slowly, these 2 problems combine and lead to erectile dysfunction, weak or short-lasting erections. Many men think this happens only because of age, but that's not always true. Often it starts with what we eat and drink every day. Now, here's the good news. Your body can heal. If you stop drinking soft drinks and start drinking more water, your body begins to recover. Within a few weeks, your blood sugar starts to balance, your weight begins to drop, and your blood flow improves. As your belly fat goes down, your testosterone starts to rise again. You begin to feel more energetic, more confident, and your performance improves naturally. No pills, no tricks, just healthy living. Remember, your private part depends on your blood system. If your blood is healthy, your performance will be strong too. So next time you reach for that bottle of soda, ask yourself, Is it really worth it? The sweet taste lasts only a few minutes, but the damage can last for years. Protect your health. Protect your manhood. Choose water. Eat real food. And let your body work the way nature made it to.